यो व्हाट इज अप लवली, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग ऑफ शोम्स लाइफस्टाइल। तो आज हम लोग फीचर करने वाले हैं एक बहुत ही अच्छा पुंटो अबार्थ जिसमें लोड्स ऑफ मॉड्स किए हुए हैं। दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई विल नॉट टॉक मच, द ओनर विल टॉक द होल वीडियो। मतलब ओनर ही पूरा आपको समझाएंगे कि क्या क्या पार्ट से क्या क्या होता है एंड ऑल। तो पहले लेट्स मीट द ओनर। फर्स्ट आप सिनेमैटिक्स देख लो एज यूजुअल शोम्स लाइफस्टाइल के फैशन में, एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो।
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
So first let's meet the owner. Dada, Shomadip is here.
Hi guys.
Please introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Shomadip Bishash. So I'm the owner of this Fiat Punto Abarth.
Proud owner.
Yeah, proud owner. I call her Blaze. Yeah, she's my Blaze. And like I have been driving this car from the past 5 years. I bought it in 2016 July, and this car has run about around 26,000 kilometers. It's going to be 27 actually. It has run around 26,800 odd kilometers. So yeah, I am in love with this car.
And it has loads of modifications. So let's switch to the back camera and let us know कि क्या क्या है गाड़ी में.
Okay, so let's start with the engine. Okay, so as you can see, this is the T-Jet engine provided by Abarth. It has got the Abarth treatment. It gets around 145 PS of power, that roughly calculates to 143 bhp, and it has around 212 Newton meters of torque in its stock form. It's a turbocharged engine with the turbo at the front. It's a IHI turbo. So you get the same engine in the Fiat Linea, the Linea T-Jet. The only difference between this engine and the Linea T-Jet engine is that it has got a better treatment with the tune. It's a stock factory tune, and it has got a different turbo onto it. The first mod that I did on this car was to change the air filter.
Yes.
It has been changed to a BMC stock replacement filter. After that, at around 15,000 kilometers, I changed the spark plugs. I mean, it's a routine change. I replaced it with the OE spark plugs only, the NGK Iridium spark plugs. After that, I did a stage 1 update to the car. It's by Superchips. Superchips is like the most reliable company that I have ever found. Also, my friends in my group, that is Tuned CCU, they have also never complained about the, about the tune. Also, Superchips has done a lot of R&D on these tunes, so you can be like totally confident about it. So after that, what I got changed in the car was the intercooler. The intercooler is over here. So
you can see, yes.
yeah. So it's around 40% more larger than the stock intercooler. And what an intercooler does is it provides more consistency to your power buildup, even in the most hottest of days, So what happens is that your car needs cool air to burn the fuel efficiently. Now what the stock intercooler used to do was, like after 3-4 runs, after we're churning out the full power, it used to it never played its role in the correct manner. So after that, I had to change the intercooler, and now the power buildup is very, very consistent. I get around I get the whole power almost all the time, even in the most hot of situations. So coming to the next mod, well, not really a mod, it's a necessity, was to change the tires. These are Michelin PS4 tires. It's of 200 550 ZR16.
16 inches.
Yeah. So,
Stock alloys?
Yeah, these alloys are stock.
Okay.
But what these tires do is that it's very, very grippy. So it helps me to put down the power on the road in a much more efficient manner. It's a much necessary upgrade just after you take out the car from your factory, from the showroom itself. Because the stock tires, the 195 section Apollo all-neck tires that comes with the car is not efficient for the car. It's not adequate. There is a whole lot of wheel spin. Well, I won't say that I don't get any wheel spin with these tires. I do get, like when I put the whole power down in the first gear. But still, these are the best tires that I can put in this car. Okay, so yeah, I'm happy with this. After that, what I should talk about are the brakes. Well, the brakes are not updated. It's not modified. These are stock Abarth brakes, but these brakes are very, very good in their work. Like I have done a top speed of 220. Up to that also, I got very good braking performance. Yeah, so I'm pretty impressed with the brakes. But when I go stage 3, I have to update the brakes, or later in the stage 2+ section. After the tires, the much needed update was the suspensions. Though the stock suspension was very, very stiff, but still I felt like I needed the new suspensions. So before getting the new suspension, I went for a overall suspension overhaul. I changed all the the lower arms, the link rods, the tie rods, the suspension mounts and everything from Abarth only. And after that, what I got was the Bilstein B6. So what Bilstein B6 is that it's a OE replacement for the stock suspension struts. Along with the Bilstein B6, I have got my stock springs, because that was recommended by Bilstein itself. So right now I get a much stiffer suspension, but the control under high speed has increased to numerous folds. Braking time of the car has decreased to a certain extent, and that has really helped me with the performance upgrades. Though we are coming to this portion at the end, but this was the first mod that I got in my car back in 2017's end. So this mod is a catback exhaust. It's made by Magnaflow, and it's for Abarth only. So it's made by N1 Racing. I'm very, very thankful to N1 Racing. So I got the exhaust from there. The exhaust has really helped me with the with the performance of the car, and it really helps the engine to breathe better. The exhaust combined with the stock replacement air filter and the AirTech intercooler, the AirTech intercooler has given me a lot of gain in the performance department of the car.
सोमोदी तो अभी गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, तो वी वांट टू फील दिस कार।
उड़ाবে কখন বলো? এই রে হবে নাকি?
না
কি করছে ওরা?
ওটা আমিও উড়াচ্ছিলাম সিটটা একটু আগে।
রক্ত গরম।
Perks of having a stiff suspension.
This is truly Mexico. Put this downpipe and all, I'll be gaining much more power in the top end. So right now this is the third fastest Abarth in the city, like in my IIRC. The first and the second fastest are also my friends. They're also my friends. We belong from the same group, Tuned CCU. So let me just give you a brief about Tuned CCU. We are a group in which we buy cars and we never keep them stock. Okay, so like it's like we have to tune it. Before buying the car, we do a lot of research on the kind of engine, the gearbox combination that comes with the car, so that we can get to stage 2, stage 3 plus kind of mods into the car with reliability and like branded parts. So that this is also a positive aspect of buying branded parts, that is the R&D that they do done in the most adverse of situations. So whatever gains, whatever power figures and torque figures they claim, you get almost 95% of it in the kind of area that part is made for. So this is the reason why you should always go for branded parts. For example, the Supercheap Remap. Okay. Also the reliability, the warranty.
सो आज के लिए बस इतना ही था। वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा तो डू हिट द लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल, टर्न नोटिफिकेशन बेल्स ऑन, फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम @invalid यूजर नेम 404। As always, I am at the end of today's video. I'll look forward to seeing you next video real soon. Bye bye.